If you love cooking and are considering changing your all-important cooker or investing in your first range cooker, there has never been more variety, options and choice than there is today. From traditional cast iron classics to state-of-the-art ultra-contemporary appliances, the choice is certainly an exciting one. There are models just for cooking in every possible style and models that will provide hot water and heat your whole house. Let's start by looking at the ever-popular cast iron range cooker. These days, a modern cast iron range will come to the temperature you want in no time at all, heat your home and provide gallons of hot water. You can even program these appliances to fit in with your lifestyle, and they're extremely efficient, whatever fuel you choose: electric, gas, dual fuel, wood, multi-fuel or oil. Cast iron ranges are a beautiful way of creating a wonderful background heat during the colder months in the very heart of your home, the kitchen, especially if you live in an old cottage or house. And that's when they also come into their own. By being on at a low temperature level, you can really explore a variety of dishes that benefit from long, slow cooks, like for example casseroles or meats that need time to really develop in flavour and tenderize. There's nothing like putting a slow cook into the oven in the morning and coming back to a heartwarming feast. If your vision though is for something a bit more contemporary in style, we're proud to present a wide range of cookers that will bring a real focal point to your kitchen, and just as importantly, will take your cooking skills to a whole new level. Whether you're creating a dish worthy of Michelin stars or a shepherd's pie to feed a hungry family, there's nothing like a range cooker to bring out the best in your culinary skills. These range cookers have clear advantages over many other built-in cooking appliances. Ovens are 20 to 30% larger, providing a steady, even cooking heat and retaining moisture. They have multiple ovens, so different dishes can be cooked at different temperatures simultaneously. The choice of hobs too is varied and extensive, from the ever-popular gas with an assortment of specialist extras like teriyaki plates and wok burners, to the latest in induction hot plates. You can also choose from a wide range of colours. There are many options available and to consider, but ultimately you'll know what you want to cook and how you like to cook it. We hope we've given you plenty of food for thought. We have over 25 cookers, hobs and ranges in our showroom, with the very latest models often available to see first at Rangemoors. Many of our range cookers are live working models, so you can really experience how these appliances can make a difference to your cooking and your kitchen. What's more, we run regular cookery demonstrations throughout the year with professional chefs, so you can learn how to get the best out of your range cooker. Visit our showroom soon to find out more. We look forward to welcoming you. Rangemoors, heating, cooking and living.